Hello, my name is Pamela and we'll prepare chicken legs with duxelles stuff. First, disinfect the vegetables. Cut the red onion and mushrooms into brownies. Stir the red onion in garlic butter for 5 to 6 minutes. Add the mushrooms and saute until dry to create duxelles. Season the duxelles with the salt and pepper. Add the heavy cream and simmer until it tightens. Add the bread, crumbs, and combine it well. Remove the chicken feet, salpiment the meat. Prepare 8 thin grazes of duxelles. Fold the meat over the stuffing. Seal the meat and cook in oven for 20 minutes. And prepare the potato croquettes. First, disinfect the potatoes. Scrape, peel, and cut the potatoes into large pieces. Cook the potatoes by boiling or steaming. While the potatoes are still whole, mash them, add the butter, the yolk, nutmeg, and season. With the help of a spoon, shape the croquette. Cover with egg, flour, and ground bread. Heat in oil until golden brown. Serve and enjoy.